Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 14 Pro to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPhone. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select Open. Now on iPhone, click on Allow in the pop-ups. Then choose Yes, I agree or No thanks and tap on Close this window. Following that, you need to click on I accept on your Android. So I accept, then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of your iPhone and Receive on an Android next to it. Then choose Select next to all of your dates and click on Send over here. This way you will choose all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take some time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one photo. Click on Send and then select Got it. Now on an Android you need to click on No thanks or Yes, I agree and close this window. Then we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and connect those smartphones by choosing Receive button, but we can also scan this QR code. If you wish to scan it, just click on this scanning icon on an Android, select while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see now, after a while, my chosen photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!